Today I want to talk to you about, does a judge have to accept and agree to plea bargain? Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an attorney located in beautiful and today cold and snow coming 10 to 15 inches tonight, Ithaca, New York. I handle primarily DWI and other types of criminal defense traffic related cases within the Finger Lakes region of New York State. Today I want to talk to you about, does a judge have to accept a plea bargain? In other words, your attorney and the district attorney or one of the assistant district attorneys have made a deal. They have a deal in place, a deal either on lowering the charges, dropping charges, dismissing charges, getting an adjournment and contemplation of dismissal, an agreed to fine, an agreed to punishment, an agreed to no jail, probation, whatever the deal is, there's a deal in place. Now the deal gets presented in front of a judge. Now, just so you understand this, judges come in a couple of different varieties. Number one is a rubber stamp judge. That's the judge that no matter what the deal is, he just gives, or she just gives the blessing, rubber stamps it, boom, 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 no problem. We know what that judge is going to do. They're going to agree to whatever the prosecutor agrees to. And it might be a more conservative prosecutor, it might be a more liberal prosecutor, but they're going to go along with what the prosecutor decides to do in those particular courts. There's other judges, they can decide that they're going to give the deal based upon their deal. They're going to say, listen, I'll go along with that, but I also want community service. I also want a weekend or two in jail. I also want a high fine. I want something. I want you to plead to an extra traffic infraction. I want something above and beyond the deal. I'm not happy with the deal. I'm reconfiguring the deal that you made because I won't agree to that deal. I don't think that that deal is fair to the court, fair to the people, fair to the state of New York, whatever you want to think that they want to be fair to. But we have that. And then we have everything in between those, the rubber stamp versus the one that gets super involved, where there's some level of involvement where they'll play some part in the plea bargain process. I'll give you for instance, I just had a judge in the court and said, well, this is a 95 mile per hour speeding ticket. And they wouldn't agree to the deal to drop it all the way down to a non-speeding ticket. So then we went back with a new deal to go to a lower speeding ticket. They wouldn't agree to that speeding ticket. They agreed to a higher speed ticket. 3 times back and forth to the judge till they finally agreed to a speed lessening of a speed that they would be okay with. And then they hit the person with the maximum fine on that speed. Now, that's just one judge in one court, but just to understand the process, we're not just dealing with the prosecutor, but we're ultimately also going to have to deal with the court, the judge. So understand that the judge can help the deal, make the deal better, make the deal worse, depending upon what the judge wants to do. If you have questions about your DWI traffic related matter in the upstate region, Finger Lake region, New York State, you could either give me a call, you can send me an email, I'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.